10 passive income streams you need to try. Remote freelancing. Work as a freelancer in fields like writing, graphic design, or programming with flexible hours and remote opportunities. Online. Surveys and reviews. Participate in paid surveys or write product reviews to earn small but consistent income. Rent your space. If you have extra space, list it on Airbnb or other short-term rental platforms. Online. Tutoring. Share your knowledge by tutoring students in subjects you excel in through online tutoring platforms. Sell handmade crafts. Crafters can sell handmade goods on platforms like Etsy, generating income from their artistic skills. Start a YouTube channel. Create evergreen content that generates ad revenue and views over time. Speaking of, subscribe to the Avery Review. Sell photos online. If you're into photography, sell your photos on stock image websites for recurring income. Podcasting. Create a podcast on a niche topic and monetize it through sponsorships, ads, or listener support. Affiliate blogging. Start a blog focused on a specific niche, promoting affiliate products or services. Virtual events. Organize and host virtual events or webinars on topics of interest, charging admission or sponsor fees. For more ways to generate passive income, press the like button and subscribe to the Avery Review.